One touch of nature makes the whole world ken. What is the use of a house if you haven't got a tolerable planet to put it on? Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. We still do not know 1,000% of what nature has revealed to us. Thank God men cannot fly, and lay waste the sky as well as the earth. What we are doing to the forests of the world is but a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and to one another. We can never have enough of nature. It is the marriage of the soul with nature that makes the intellect fruitful, and gives birth to imagination. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. It appears to be a law that you cannot have a deep sympathy with both man and nature. Nature refuses to sympathize with our sorrow. She seems not to have provided for, but by 1,000 contrivances against it. Live simply that others might simply live. A town is saved, not more by the righteous men in it, than by the woods and swamps that surround it. There is a sufficiency in the world for man's need but not for man's greed. He thinks in secret, and it comes to pass, environment is but his looking glass. He who cuts down woods beyond a certain limit exterminates birds. No man manages his affairs as well as a tree does. Joy in looking and comprehending is nature's most beautiful gift. I have deep faith that the principle of the universe will be beautiful and simple. In the struggle for survival, the fittest win out at the expense of their rivals because they succeed in adapting themselves best to their environment. From the war of nature, from famine and death, the most exalted object which we are capable of conceiving, namely, the production of higher animals, directly follows. Nature as a whole is a progressive realization of purpose strictly comparable to the realization of purpose in any single plant or animal. Complete adaptation to environment means death. The essential point in all response is the desire to control environment. Continuity of life means continual readaptation of the environment to the needs of living organisms. Nature is painting for us, day after day, pictures of infinite beauty. Sunshine is delicious, rain is refreshing, wind braces us up, snow is exhilarating. There is really no such thing as bad weather, only different kinds of good weather. Forests, lakes, and rivers, clouds and winds, stars and flowers, stupendous glaciers and crystal snowflakes, every form of animate or inanimate existence, leaves its impress upon the soul of man. We make the world we live in and shape our own environment. And this, our life, exempt from public haunt, finds tongues in trees, books in the running brooks, sermons in stones, and good in everything. Nature knows no indecencies, Man invents them. One can enjoy a rainbow without necessarily forgetting the forces that made it. Gardening is civil and social, but it wants the vigor and freedom of the forest and the outlaw. Increasingly, the world around us looks as if we hated it.